Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. So I'm just going through for 5:45 Monday, January 28th. Just wanted to go through some of the files here on what is available for most potential. Currently, let me just show you the current risk. This is all from my service, the Quant Analytics, that has been running for a while. So I want to show you the big five crypto pairs or cryptocurrencies, see how they're doing. Right here, we are watching Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, and Ethereum against US dollar. Three of them are between 0 and 0.5% hourly move, and two of them are between 0.5% and 1%. So those are not bad. That's been the strongest in quite a few days. But so far, the system is not caught up to this. Right now, we'll see if any of the cryptocurrency pairs or signals are going to start running. So we've shown you the cryptocurrency. I want to show you also what we call the most potential. Now, if you've not seen a video I've done earlier, I did talk about the current coins that are having potential. Right here we have, now when I show this one, this is the one without does not have any whipsaws. ZCash against Ethereum, 13% up for the hour. That's pretty strong. The system has been profiting off of ZCash for the last pretty well, starting earlier today. Let me show you also the whipsaws. This is the one that gets very interesting. As you know, we do track the whipsaws for up to 6 hours, and these are the ones that most likely you don't want to take on right now, even though you may think that this may be a good one. Litecoin Ethereum or XRP or Neo or Dash, any of those right now would not be a good time to take on those trades, because you can see here over the last 6 hours towards 1 o'clock, things did whipsaw quite a bit. So the timing is not right for these, but they are on the watch list. Some of them may have dropped off. I'm not sure. I can check that in a minute. So Nano was a mover, but that's been whipsawing. So a lot of these should not be taken, because if you do, as I said, you most likely will have a negative moving or have your position whipsawed out. So here's the watch list. This was generated about the last hour. So we'll see what we have on the watch list. Again, the only one we have that's worthwhile is ZCash, because of it doesn't whipsaw. It's been having some very strong volume. If I show you the, for some may have not seen this in a while, this is the volume picked up by Binance. Quite clearly, a lot of people are seeing it. It's 100% ZCash. Let me just see here if we can pull up another chart. So right now, as I said, the most profitable is ZCash. You can look at the Fibonacci's if you want. And that's a daily chart. I've shown this before. So again, this is ZCash against Ethereum. Has come up. We did talk about this rise between the summer, and it's starting to clearly bottom out and starting to hit a positive run again. So let me just pull up this chart here. So you can see what's been going on here. I believe this is 1 month. So it has had some very good runs. It's had another one, but it seems to be slowing down on the momentum. That's on an hourly chart here. But right now it fluctuates, but right now is a good time to get in. But again, that's why I built the signaling service, because you may think you may have a good time to get in, but you can clearly see that this pair is good on a 3-hour run, a 2-hour run, a 3-hour run, and so on and so forth. So this is why we track these whipsaw. It's virtually impossible to watch all of these. There's just so many. And to be honest, I would never expect any human to do it. So we have here these Word documents that get generated. We have now this is how good the analytics service can be. This was generated on the 25th. So as I said, today's the 28th. So this is not caught up yet, but there's no signals here, no problem. But there are some Word documents that we can work with. So we have one here filtered, or one based upon volume. So Sia coin always used to come up, and I believe this is the one with Sia coin, yes. So Sia coin has been hammered pretty badly. It is above the trend. It's lately been getting hammered also on the negative side as well, on the daily negative returns, but it does have a positive momentum. I think this is one of those coins where once it starts to pick up, this can be a heavily traded coin on Binance. Let's just see what else we got. So here is the moving averages for 6 months, and then we have 90 days, then the 30 days. So you can clearly see what's going on here. Not tradable at this point, but once you start to see the momentum move up, it has potential, but it's just right now it's not a good trading opportunity. But this other document is quite interesting. This is just a general long. It's not filtered on anything. This was generated again on the 25th, which I believe was Thursday or Friday. But check it out. EOS, Dash, and XMR. The reports I've been putting up a week on earlier today, where I did talk about XMR was a strong one. Dash has been pretty strong. These are the private coins, and I mean, it's just getting hammered right now, but there are the odd pocket of where Dash can do quite well. Here in the bullish candle patterns, those are good things, obviously. And but this head and shoulders business is not looking good. But I mean, here, no momentum yet. It's starting to get a good little run, but even still, on a 30-day, that's pretty strong. And again, that's since the 20th of January, so not bad. Okay, so now we get into Monero. The volumes are pretty good. I did say, and it's just about to cross that trend. Again, this is generated on the 25th, so I bet you it's already broken through if I was to look at the most recent. But here, look at that. But that's a bearish bat. So we got a bearish harmonic getting generated here. But yeah, it's been battered down pretty good. So a bullish candle. Again, the only candles I use are reliable. I've got a article on it on the blog. So again, these are sort of things, but I'll look at the 30-day. Yeah, it's trending up, not as strong, but the weekend was really good. EOS is one of those that look good, but it just has too many whipsaws, as you can see here. Very few positive daily returns. Another bearish. This one didn't register at all. I had all bullish candles. I think just the whipsaws are what removes the strong potential of this, but not very strong movement up. But nonetheless, I would definitely say, and was able to predict that both Monero and Dash wasn't too bad. Let's see what else we've got here. For those that are into stop losses, this does get updated. Where are we? There we go. Stop loss, take profit. So right now this is just ZCash. So you can clearly see here's the Fibonacci levels and the targets on the up on the take profit level, stop loss level. I also track the half positions. So that's pretty good to have that. There was some alerts that we can use. Let me just see if I can remember what they are. But you can see here it does generate quite a bit of head and shoulders, XLM, BTC, XLM, BTC. I don't know, but I'm going to look at this XLM because that's pretty strong for an automated head and shoulders. So we're seeing some bearish signals, and another bearish signal on XRP. So we looked at the whipsaws, so you get an idea of what looks good. I would definitely say ZCash is the clear winner. Oh, if you also were able to short, let's see what we can do here. This should be pretty busy because everything seems to be falling with the exception of a few. Bitcoin Cash. Is it the only one? So that's the only shorting opportunity we're seeing is the Bitcoin Cash against Ethereum. So pretty interesting stuff. So hopefully you found that useful, and we shall talk to you later.